Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6.0 video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can upload the file with the help of form in the Laravel. So these are some points that we are going to cover through this video. So first of all, we will make a controller and make a route for it. Then we have to make a form inside the view and need to make a route for this also. And after that we will write some code for upload the image, and after all we will check that is image is uploaded or not. Even this is, it can be image or it can be any file. All right, so I'm just going to put here file, not even image. All right, so now let's get started with the code. So first of all, I'm just going to make a controller, and as you know, the controller will become inside the http inside the app and controller. All right, so I'm just putting the command php artisan make controller, and controller name is users, let's say. I'm just hitting that, and you can see that we got the controller here. All right, and after that we have to make a path, and for the path I have to go inside the web.php, and I'm just going to put a path here, which is route get, and here I'm just going to put here, let's say, upload, and in the second parameter just put the controller's name, which is the users, and iterate index, which is gonna be function name inside the controller. Right, so now let's open the controller once more and just write here function name input, so sorry, index, and when we just get some data, we have to actually we have to use a request. So we have to write here request and dollar request, which will be kind of type of request class. All right, and this class is coming from the illuminate http. And after that, for just printing, we have to just write here print underscore all dollar input, sorry, dollar request and file, because we are sending the file inside the form, and that's it. Here we will able to see the form, see the image, and the request will be kind of post, not the get. All right, so if you don't know why we have used the post and why we use this class, then you can watch our previous video, link is given in the description box. This video will tell you that how we can use the properly a form. All right, so let's move on. And after creating this, we need to create a form and make a route for it. So first of all, I'm just going to make a route for it. So it should be a view, and when we just call it, it will be called a file. All right, or we can just put the name of form. All right, and this is the only file name. So yeah, so at the second parameter we have to put the form name. So I'm just going to put here user form. Even we can put a small also, that's okay also. Okay, so now just go inside the resource folder and open the views and just make a new folder. Here let's put here views.blade .php. Right, so we need to make a form here. So just make a form simply html with the start with the html tag, put here head, and we can put the title if you want. Inside the title just write here upload file. Okay, and now let's make body tag. Here just we need to take the two field at least. One is file, so I'm just going to take here file, sorry, input, and it should be the type of file. All right, and we can put the name, like name we can put the user underscore img, that's okay. and let's close that. And after that we need a button, and just close the button here simply, and here we can put here simply upload image. Okay, alright, and to make some gaps I'm going to just write here br tag, and this is the HTML form, so we must have to add here csrf token, so I'm just going to write here @csrf. alright, and this is our basically it will be gonna form, so it should be the type, and type will be submit. And now take this form, take this field inside a form, just make a form simply here, and the form action should be the controller path, which is the upload. Alright, so we have to just write here upload and add two more properties like method, and method will be gonna post. And after that, if we are just going to upload any multimedia file, then we must have to add the ink type. So just add here ink type, and ink type should be multipart / form underscore data. Alright, so let's check it properly, so that I am going to hide the sidebar. Yep, I think everything is fine here. So now let's check that map. Go inside your browser and just write here form. What is the path? Actually, I forgot that. Yes, this is the form. So I'm just going to write here form simply, and now you can see that we got here file upload and image. So let's try to image. When we just upload it, the data should be go inside the upload URL, and with that help it will be gone inside the index function. So just check some file to upload and just try to upload it. Now you can see that we are able to see here a blank array. Alright, we didn't see anything else except it. So the reason is because we did not just provide the, maybe we missed something here. So for that, let's check the blade form here, user form. Yeah, I just got it. So actually I just have to put here form underscore data, not anything else, right? So now let's check it once again. Let's upload the file once again. I'm just going to upload the Laravel file 6 Laravel 6 file name, and now you can see that we got the data here. So you got the file type and file name and anything that you need to all information about the image here, right? So now we got the information of image, but how we can upload it? For that, you just have to write one line code inside your user controller file, which is just right here. You can just echo it also, so that it can print the result also. Just write here request underscore file and file name, and my file name is, I think, user underscore or image. And after that, just use a store function. Inside the store function, just put the folder name where you want to upload. So I'm just going to put here folder name like public upload. Right, so now let's try, is it going to upload or not? So now you can see that this image is uploaded and the name of file is this. So how we can check it? So for the check, first of all, I'm just going to inside the repository of here. So just go on the blog. This is my project name. Here you can see that this is a blog. Just go inside the storage app, and this is upload folder. You can see that, and let's see, this is here our image. So let's say you want to upload it inside the public file, so that you can just simply put here public, and now and let's see, is it working or not? just come back here and try to upload image once more. Now you can see that this is uploaded inside the public folder also. So let's check the public folder. Yeah, we got the file here. So this is the way that how you can upload the file inside the, yeah, I know these images for the last video, which is a localization, so sorry for that. Yeah, so I hope you got that my point, that how you can upload the image inside the Laravel with the help of form. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks guys.